welcome to the video. So in this video, we'll be deploying a bot. This bot will automatically update. It will open the Naukri.com and it will update the resume at every day at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. whatever time you want to keep. So after updating the resume, it will send a mail notification like this. So we'll be deploying this from scratch. I'll be creating an EC2 instance in AWS. I'll show you like what are the packages required for this, and then we have to install the packages and also be with me. I'll be showing you each and every package what needs to be installed, and I'll show you the process so that you can do it in your own local laptop. So Windows system will be required, and Python should be installed in that. Let's see how we can do that. Yeah, you just have to pass your credentials, Naukri.com credentials, and you have to pass that in the code itself. So I'll show you where to pass that and where to change the code. Let's see. Yeah, be with me. So you can perform this activity in your local laptop also. Every day you want the Naukri.com to have your updated resume. Like every day it requires an updated resume, right? So rather than doing it manually, you create a cron job in Windows so that it will automatically open the browser and it will automatically open Naukri.com and it will automatically update the resume in Naukri portal every day. That this is a continuous automation process which we have created. I have used ChatGPT for this, for writing this code. So this is the code. You can follow along, and you can also deploy this code into your own local laptop. I'll be giving you the repository, Git repository. Like this is the Git repository which I have given. So you can just follow this Git repository and you can just change the credentials. That's it. You just have to change the credentials, like credentials somewhere. I guess here, Naukri.com credentials. Yeah, that's all. You just have to change the credentials of Naukri.com of your login ID and password, which you have to give. That's all. And this code will work. So I'll show you the entire process from creation of the node to the creation of cron job for automating the Naukri resume. I'll show you the entire process. You be with me and just follow along, and you can do the entire process by yourself also in your local laptop. Yeah, let's create an EC2 instance in AWS. Let's start. I can do it in my local laptop also, but I want to show you from scratch from the deploying of apps packages and also that's why I'm using EC2 instance. Uh, Automation bot. Let's select not the latest image. Let's select 22 base. Let's select T2 medium rather than T3 micro and T2 micro. T2 medium I have chosen. Two vCPUs and 4 cores, right? Let's select the key I have with me. So this is the key testing dev 1. And let's select the VPC I want to host in. And let's select the subnet, hosting public one. And let's select the existing subnet group. Yeah, so this subnet group will have everything from outside to coming into our servers. So for demo purpose, I've used that. So you can use it for your own. You can just allow RDP connection if you want to. Like anyway, I want to test it in testing it, right? So I'm using all connections from internet. Once the server is created, still pending. Running. It will take 3 minutes for us to connect to the RDP connection. Uh, Even if we download, it will to get the password, right? So for getting the password, you have to upload the key. But it will take 4 minutes, like for launching the instance, 4 minutes it takes. So we'll wait for 4 minutes and let's see. Okay, it is asking me to upload the key, and I'm uploading the key. This is the password. This is the password to connect to the server. So let's connect to the server. I'm connected to the server. Let's see. Server is ready. So let's see how we can install the packages. First, we need Python in our system. So we need to install Python also. We're using CMD for that. Using this command, we'll be installing the Python. You have to set environment variable also. We'll be setting that environment variable with the script itself. Let's exit and again come back to CMD to check the instance, check the Python version and all. The Python is installed. Let's install Git. Let's install GitHub Git in our system. Download the latest package. Once it is downloaded, let's install it. You have to use it next. That's it. Let's install. Yeah. You need VS Studio, VS Code also. Installing VS Code also now. It's installed. Let's install our repository, GitHub repository. Let's install Chrome. We need Chrome because our code will work only in Chrome. Install Chrome for now. Let's get the browser. Let's get the repository. This is the repository. This is the repository which I'm posting in description. You will find it in description as well. Let git clone this repository because we want our code to be in our laptop, right? And let's check the it is there. It is there. Yeah, it is there. Naukri.com. Naukri bot. We have to install the packages. Pip install packages. So what are there in the package? What is there in the package? It is not able to open. Let's open in VS Code and let's see what is there in the package. Let's install the packages for now. Put it in requirement.txt file. Let's open code. So our code requires this. Uh, mm, Let me check. Um, this resume to be in a document folder. Have to keep the resume in document folder. So you just have to change these things only. Only in line number 26, you have to add your naukri.com password, and in this you have to just add your app password. That's all you need. Like, you just have to change only these two, only your password and your app password. How do we generate app password? Let me show you how do we generate. We generate app password using this link. So I'll share this link in the description. You will find it in the description. I've written blog around it. You can read blog also. Like, yesterday only I created this app password for this for these credentials which I have. You just need to change that username and password for your Naukri.com, and also app password for your email authentication and all. So that's all. After this is done, it is completed. .txt file. There are only two packages which are required: WebDriver Manager and Selenium. That's it. If these two packages are installed, our application will run fine. Our bot will run fine. So that's all. Let's run the bot and see. Let's not create cron job for now, but let's run bot now and see if it is working fine. How do we run? We run like this. Let's run it and see. See, it requires Chrome. Only Chrome. It will run on only Chrome. I've written code like that, so it will run on Chrome. That's why we install Chrome. So yeah, let's see if it is doing it correctly. So it has authenticated and login, right? So now let's see if it is updating the resume. It has updated. So it has updated the resume also. Once resume is updated, let's check the mail and let's see if it is giving out the mail. Automatically it will close once the resume is updated. Let's check if it is giving out the mail. Send out a mail. Let us send out a mail. Send out a new mail. So let's see. See, it has sent out a new mail. 0 minutes back. So let's see. Yeah, we got mail also. So that's how it runs, and that's how it updates the resume, and that's how it sends a mail. So now let's automate this process, complete process, every day at 9, or like at what time, like 4:55 in this local system time. Let's automate it. Let's see. To automate this stuff, you need to have Windows run. Tasks chd.msc you have to open. Once it is open, let's see how it goes. You have to create a basic task. Close everything else. You don't need it. Yeah, create a basic task. It will take some time, but it will open. So give a name for it. Naukri bot, resume bot. We will give name. Daily. We want it daily to happen. Daily at 4:55 local time, like 4:55. Yeah. Start a program. Okay. Let's browse the script. We want to run. The script is here. We want this script to run. So let's go browse the script. Browse. After browsing it, let's Start it. Yeah, so let's see if it triggers on 4:55. Automatically it should trigger and automatically it should go and update the resume. Four 55, right? More 2 minutes to go. After in 2 minutes it should go and update the resume automatically. It will open the Chrome and it should automatically go and update the resume in Naukri.com, and that's all. That's how it should happen. So you understood the process, right? So understood the process, right? You just don't need to change anything. Just need to update the email ID of Naukri.com and password of that, and then create app password for your application, for your app password for email authentication for sending the mail. So you just need to update only two things. That's all. Let's see, 4:55, 34 seconds. It should trigger. Let's see, 34 seconds, right? So maybe it will open now. It has opened, right? So it will open. It will it will open Chrome browser, and then automatically it will update the resume. It is doing automatically. I didn't do anything. You can set a time for it. Every day at 9 a.m. in the morning, it will automatically open, and it will update the resume. It has taken username and password from my code. So from my code only it has taken. Let's see if it is updating. It is updated, right? So yeah, so that's all the overall process. Yeah, so once it is done, it will automatically close, and I might have received a mail for it. Yeah, so you can change the timing as well for you if you want to keep it in early in the morning every day. At the 8 in the morning at every day, it will go and update the resume. Just have to be mindful. You have to keep the resume in documents.txt file, because we have mentioned in our code like it has to be in this folder. It will pick the resume from here, and it will try to upload into Naukri portal. So in this entire code, you just need to change your email ID for Naukri.com at code line number 27. Also at line number 31, you just need to create an app password for your application, and then you have to authenticate using that app password to send a mail. That's all. That's all you need to do, and you have to be mindful that you have to keep the copy of your resume here in documents folder, because we have specified here, right? We have specified here. Pick from that folder. So it has we have specified in document folder, right? You can change the path also if required for your convenience. Like if you can change the path, you can rename the resume, and you can your resume name is something else. You can just name it, put that name here. Let's suppose if resume name is Ramesh, huh? Ramesh resume. Then this name should change. Then this name should have Ramesh resume. name should have Ramesh resume. Yeah, so that's how it should change. So that's how you should keep it there itself. I've written a detailed blog around this. It is explaining each and every line, so you can just go and read the blog. Also, I've given the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will help you in automating the process of updating the resume in Naukri portal. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If it is helpful, little bit also helpful, you should I encourage you to like and subscribe to the channel. That's all. After this, let's read the instance. See, we got another mail. I've written a blog around it, so you can just go through the blog also. This is the blog. I mentioned each and every step which you need to perform. I mentioned each and every step. This is the blog. You can go through the blog and you can try to understand more about it. This is the blog. You can please read it, and I'll add it in the description box. You can also create GUI tkinter for automating this process. I've written a code around it, not put it in Naukri.com. I'll put it in Naukri.com also, like gkinter. Uh, yeah, so that's all about it. Tkinter. So I've created a tkinter GUI app also. When it will take the input and it will try to update the resume. That's all about the video. And please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you feel it is helpful. Don't forget to delete the instance. Let me delete the instance as well. Like I created it, right? So already it will be built. You can probably in your local laptop also you can create a cron job for it, and you can run cron job every day. That can happen. I want to show you something from the scratch. Created a That's why I created Windows every day. That you can do. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel because it takes a lot of time to create this kind of videos. Subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with your friends if you feel it is helpful. You can add a comment also if it is required. Thank you.